So there we go. Thank you. Ayan. Welcome to my channel again. Ayan. I will show you the downstairs, or we're going to walk a little bit with my dog, and I explained to Mr. Columbia. I don't know also why they called black eyes here. They called, but I don't know. Okay, we will go there now, and thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Dog, as you can see, I'm here in the park. Ang lamig. It's too cold. It's -5 today. So that's why all the grass is what do you call that, with ice. So freezing here. You see, more sun and more hot. Sorry. More sun is more cold. That's it. You know that? This is the way here. Okay, I show you all. There we go, Mr. Columbia. Here is the black ice. They means it's all freeze. Look, the grass is all with ice. That they called here the black ice. I don't know why, but you see, I will show you. You see, it all ice here in the field, and all ice. You see, they put some. There we go, Mr. Columbia. You see again. You see all the field or the grass is all white. What do you mean? All is freeze with ice. This is mean the black ice. I don't know why black. No, it's honey. You see, it's all ice. I will show you like these leaves. You see, all the leaves are, you see, all with ice. There we go. We are here in the park, the dog park. But my dogs is barking too much. See? You see, ayan, it's all ice. All ice. You see, did you hear when I step? It's really like a crunchy grass. Look. See this? It's all ice. You see, we're walking here. We try to go to the, I think they have a river here. You see. So this is my first time here, guys, or mga kalindog. We're gonna look here what they have inside in this place. O, diba? Ayan guys, we are here. Juan lamig, Lucy, it's all ice on the side. Ayan, meron doon river. The river is there. Maybe summer here is beautiful. You see, the river is up the downstairs. And you see, mahirap dito lamig, diba? It's cold, guys. You see, my hands is getting cold now. Freeze. Ayan, diba? Ano to? Parang ano to? This is the historical of Chuchu. There we go. I wanna go there, but we cannot cross there in the river because they have the railway from the train. Oh, ayan, diba? Beautiful sky, so blue but so cold. Ayan, diba? Okay, guys. Ayan, look upstairs. They have a villa. Oh, it's like a, I don't want to live there. Even I'm getting rich, Charles. Never. Because it's scary. It's like from the horror movie. You see the villa. And my surroundings like this. Never. I don't want to live here. Diba? The villa. The mystery villa. You see? But it's okay. Anyway, we're going home now. So, ayan mga kalindog. This is here in Deutschland. So cold. Freaking damn cold. Ayan, diba? So, going home now. This is the villa. Look, the villa, how big. From there to here. I don't know. And look. The smoking. Somebody there. Somebody put the heater because it's really cold. You see, this is really damn big. The villa. I'm gonna live there. The Madame Roja Brina. Diba? The villa of Madame Roja Brina. So ayan mga kalindog, thank you for watching and thank you. That is Mr. Columbia. I don't know, that's why they call the ice black ice. So I don't know also. So thank you all, thank you everybody, thank you for watching. Ayan, so we're going home now because it's really cold here. I'm getting freeze my feet and my hands. So thank you, see you, bye. 360. Oh, 360.